The figure below is not drawn to scale. ABCD is a square of sides 18 cm. AEF and BED are straight lines. If DF is equals to 1/3 of DC, find the area of the shaded parts. Now pause the video so that you can complete the question yourself first. I call this a conceptual question, mainly because this question actually basically tests your understanding of concepts. In this case, a concept of area of triangle. Okay, so not so much of the calculation portion, but well, it's a math question which needs to do some calculation. Let's take a look at this question. It says here ABCD is a square of size 18 cm. Immediately, I will find the area of square ABCD. So it will be equals to 18 cm multiplied by 18 cm, which is 324 square centimeter. At the same time, okay, find the area of triangle ADB, which is the half of this whole square, right? So therefore it's equals to half times 324 square centimeter, which is equals to 162 square centimeter. So we established these two areas. Okay. Next, I am going to because it says here that DF is 1/3 of DC, right? Okay, I'm going to do the same over here as well. Cut AB into 3 equal parts, and I'm going to join this line over here. Okay, what I've created is 3 triangles, alright? And these 3 triangles have the same area. Why? Because they have the same base and the same height. Okay, same height, all reaching out to this height. Agree? So we all know that if the triangle with same base and same height, that means their area is the same. Okay, let's get rid of these 3 lines, these 6 lines first, so that's easier. Okay, so remember this. Okay, and I'm going to label them so that it's easier for us to work on it. I call this A, I call this B, I call this C, D, and E. What do you see just now? We say that area of B is the same as area of D, is the same as area of E. Remember that? Okay, so keep this in mind. Now let's do some calculation again. Okay, A plus B is actually, okay, because DF is 1/3 of DC. That means the whole, this A plus B is actually 1/6. Sorry, 1/6. Okay, of the whole area of the square of ABCD, which is 324 square centimeter. Right? Okay, which is equals to 54 square centimeter. Next, look at A plus C. Okay, which is actually equals to the area of triangle ADF. Right? It's the same thing, right? So it equals to 54 square centimeter. If you calculate half times base times height, you get this answer. That means to say we are both at the same area. So you are then telling me A plus B is equals to A plus C. That means B is actually equals to C. And earlier we said that B is the same as D and E. That means in a nutshell, this is also equals to C. Right? Okay, now B, D, E, and C have the same area. That means to say triangle ADB, okay, is split into 4 equal parts. Agree? Right? So we will know that C, if that's the case, C would then be 1/4 of the triangle ADB. Right? which is equals to 40.5 square centimeter, right? Right? If C is that means A would then be the whole area of 54, A plus B was 54, minus 40.5 square centimeter is equals to 13.5 square centimeter. Therefore, the shaded area, the shaded part would then be the triangle BCD, this whole big triangle BCD. Let me show you this big triangle BCD. Okay, minus of this area of A, and I get the answer, isn't it? So that would be, that means to say triangle BCD is just actually the half of the square, which we found out was 162 square centimeter, minus the part A, which is 13.5 square centimeter. So the answer is 148.5 square centimeter, and this is the answer for this conceptual question.